Hello. So, um, I'm here outside the house. I'm waiting for my friend Melissa. We're gonna go out for dinner. So, um, it's my last night here in New Zealand. I've just left my job. Our house is sold. Busy? I think I'm almost ready to leave New Zealand. I don't know what to feel, to be honest. Um I'm having mixed emotions. Bye. Bye.
Thank you for the food.
Bye.
Oh, Master Chef, si ano,
PGI o Osmo pa yan ah.
Bye. Subscribe. Wow. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Like, share, subscribe.
Subscribe. Hi guys, good morning. So today is the day. Finally, I survived. So I am packing right now, and then I'm gonna get ready. The dogs will be picked up very soon, like in 2 hours. And John is still in our town. Hi babe, you wanna say hi?
Hi vlog. I'm leaving soon. Promise.
He's leaving for Sydney very soon to pick me up tonight. Yeah. So I'm just gonna pack and I'll see you guys later. Bye house. Bye house. Hi guys. So I'm now here at the airport. I'm just having lunch. It's still 1 o'clock and the check-in counter won't open until 2:15. So I have plenty of time to eat and just chill, catch up with some emails and messages from people. I'm just having ramen, beef ramen, and then yeah, so Ate Enner and Kuya Pat dropped me off sa airport and yeah, they already left. So yeah, let's eat. Hindi pa. Alas dos pa. Two o'clock pa. Alright, I'm gonna check in soon. Bye Christchurch. I'm ready for the new adventure. Hi guys, so I am going to check in now. It's already 2:09 p.m. So I'm gonna check in now. My flight will be at 5:45 p.m. So it's 3 for $29. Ang mahal naman. I like this. I tried this one yesterday, but it's too expensive here. It's still way cheaper if you buy sa Pack and Save. So each is $11.50. Hi guys, so I'm just waiting for boarding now. Just here charging my phone. It was so stressful kanina because I have 30 kgs luggage allowance for my check-in baggage. And then yung hand carry ko is 7 kgs. When I check in, yung check-in luggage ko was only 25 kgs. Pero yung hand carry ko was 10 kgs. So, I had to move stuff from my hand carry to my check-in luggage. Pero doon ako nahirapan kasi wala na masyadong space yung check-in luggage ko. Yung luggage ko kasi hindi siya nag-e-expand. It's a hard case and it doesn't expand at all. So that's why nahirapan talaga ako kanina. Ang ending, I had to throw some stuff. We have these watches, yung Michael Kors ko na watch. Nakalagay pa siya sa box. I really wanted to keep that box, pero mabigat siya. So I had to throw the box. I had no choice. So yeah, I had to let go of some items. So meron akong notebook, something like that, na I had to let go kasi hindi na talaga kasha. And then, sayang kasi I still have around 2 kgs na pwedeng mailagay sa check-in luggage ko. Pero yun na nga, wala na talagang space. Kaya I'm kind of disappointed and grabe yung pawis ko kanina. I was so stressed out. I had to change my jacket kasi this coat is quite heavy. Tapos yung jacket ko, the one I bought from Korea, magaan lang siya. So, yun ang nilagay ko sa hand carry ko. Tapos eto, sinuot ko na lang. Kaya, stressful talaga. And I survived. We're now here at gate 30. So, in a few minutes, magtatawag na sila na magbo-boarding na. Yun. Alright. See ya! Here and he's here.
I made it here
Let's go.
after 10 hours of driving.
I made it. Go na. Let's go. Hi
May
guys.
sign na CD sa labas.
May kasama na ako. May kasama na siya. Are you ready for our new adventure? Yeah, we're nearly complete. I'm here. Ay, hindi malamig. Carry lang.
Ito pa lang yung
Wait lang ha. It's winter. Hindi siya naka-jacket. So winter ngayon. Naka-coat ako kasi mabigat siya. So I had to wear it. Pero pinagpapawisan ako. Ang init. Babe, anong feeling? Walang jacket? Why is it hot? Malamig ba? Malamig ba dito sa Sydney or ngayon lang malamig? Ngayon lang mainit.
talaga.
Malamig ba ngayon? Malamig na to?
Malamig na to.
Para mato summer. Parang summer. Parang nighttime na summer sa Christchurch. Welcome to Sydney! Hey! Ay, ay, ay. So,
Pagpasensya mo na, hindi ko na talaga na car wash. Car wash ko sana, wala akong nahanap.
sige na, alis
Sarado
ka
na
na.
yung mga self-service.
Go. Alright. So, may tagapagtulak na ako ng mga maleta ko. May uutos-utusan na ako. We are gonna go to our car. Well, our car. I'm gonna meet Snow.
Wow. He's not really white.
Well,
He's currently brown.
iniwan ko lang ang luggage ko. Wala na pala ako sa New Zealand. Ay, hindi pala masyadong malaki, no? Carry lang.
Ito mahirap.
Ha?
Mahirap umakyat.
Paano ako aakyat dyan?
Hindi ko rin naintindihan.
Ang hirap naman akyatin.
Taas masyado. Ito na yung parang turo-turo. Turo-turo ba yun?
Hello. Hello. Uy, nakakaganda yung car mo. Hi! Hi, babe. So, we just had our dinner. That was my first meal here in Australia. Masarap siya. Kaso, muntik na kaming hindi papasukin. Pero, goods. Mahal lang siya, no?
Tsaka,
Mahal siya. Para siyang, ano?
Parang siyang kind of western style.
Yeah, it's Filipino restaurant pero
With a twist.
with a twist. Yeah, that's right. With a western twist. Masarap siya. Maraming convenience store dito, no? Ayun, no,
Makakabili ka ng Telstra dyan.
merong Easy Mart. So, first few minutes sa Sydney, my impression was para siyang Japan. Ganun ang nararamdaman ko kasi dun sa roads na dinaanan namin. Wait, may parking? Huh? Ang confusing naman nito.
Ano confusing?
Kasi may nagpark tapos doon ka dumaan.
Nandun na yung linya ko.
Weird.
Merge lang ako sa kabilang line. Naubos na yung line.
Anyway, so ang first impression ko sa Sydney, para siyang Japan. Kasi ang dami kong nakikita na signages na may nakalagay tolls. So, yeah. Para din siyang, hindi siya parang US kasi yung road sa US, parang ang daming kotse. No? Dito dun lang naman sa road na dinaanan natin from the airport. Marami din kotse, but it's not that bad. And it felt like Japan. Anyway, saan tayo pupunta? Okay, guys. So, we don't have things for our house. We sold everything, right? So, while we have time and before the dogs will arrive, we will make the most of it. So, we need to go to Kmart. Straight from the airport. Yeah, we're gonna go to Kmart and we're gonna buy stuff. Are we gonna buy mga stuff ng mga dogs? Yeah, so, stop. So, we need to buy things for our house. Yung pinaka, importante, pinaka basic muna. And then, yeah, yung pinaka-importante lang. Like, plato, kutsara, lutuan. Yun lang importante. Tapos, bed sheets, kumot. Yun lang. Yung mga organizers, mga kung ano-ano pang anik-anik, saka na lang yun. Because we don't even have fridge yet. Yeah. So, saka na lang yun.